Any time is a great time to tidy up your living space, making everything more organized and welcoming the new year with a light and comfortable mindset. But if you don't know where to start or feel overwhelmed by cleaning, don't worry. I'll share 14 simple yet effective tips to help you organize your room quickly and easily. Just take it one small step at a time, and you'll see your space become tidier without feeling stressed. Start with the smallest things. Cleaning an entire room at once can feel overwhelming, so start with small areas first. Choose an easy-to-manage spot like your desk, bookshelf, or a drawer. Then focus on organizing it. Begin by gathering any trash, removing unnecessary items, and wiping down surfaces. Once a small section is tidy, you'll feel relieved and motivated to tackle other areas. Cleaning little by little not only saves energy, but also makes the whole process easier and more enjoyable. The 6-month and 1-year rule, gathering all your belongings in one place, is an effective way to clearly see what you own and make sorting easier. When things are scattered around the room, it's hard to tell what you truly need. Start by dividing everything into 3 categories: keep, sell, donate, and discard. Items that you use frequently or have long-term value should be kept. Things that are still in good condition but no longer serve you can be sold or donated to someone who needs them. Anything broken, expired, or useless should be thrown away immediately to free up space. A simple rule to follow is that if you haven't used an item in the past 6 months to a year, chances are you won't need it in the future. Avoid keeping too many things just because you think you might use them someday. This is a common reason why clutter builds up over time. By letting go of unnecessary items, your space will feel much tidier, cleaning will become easier, and most importantly, you'll feel lighter and more at Make your bed to make the space look. Making your bed is one of the quickest ways to make your room look instantly cleaner and more organized. Since the bed often takes up a large portion of the space, a neat and tidy bed can make the entire room feel more put together. Start by removing the bed sheet, pillowcases, and blanket for washing. If you have time, vacuum the mattress to remove dust and accumulated bacteria. Then, replace them with fresh, clean bedding. Choosing soft, neutral colors can create a calming atmosphere. A well-made bed not only makes your room look neat, but also gives you a more comfortable and relaxing space to rest. Reorganize your wardrobe. Reorganizing your wardrobe is an effective way to keep your space tidy and make it easier to find what you need. Start by taking all your clothes out of the closet to get a clear view of what you own. Then, sort them into 3 categories: keep, donate, sell, and discard. Only keep items that are truly necessary or that make you feel comfortable when worn. Clothes that you rarely use or that no longer suit you can be donated or sold to free up space. A useful tip to prevent clutter is following the one-in, one-out rule. Whenever you buy a new item, consider letting go of an old one. Finally, organize your closet efficiently by storing summer clothes in boxes to make room for winter outfits. You can also use storage boxes or appropriate hangers to keep everything neat and easily accessible. Clean and simplify your workspace. Keeping your workspace clean and minimalistic not only makes the area look tidier, but also creates a more comfortable environment that helps you stay focused. Start by clearing everything off your desk and removing unnecessary or rarely used items. Next, wipe down the surface, computer screen, keyboard, and other electronic devices to keep your workspace bright and dust-free. Don't forget to organize your cables neatly to avoid clutter and prevent them from getting tangled. If possible, Keep only the essentials on your desk, such as your computer, notebook, pens, and a few simple decorations to maintain a clean yet functional workspace. Clean mirrors and glass. Cleaning mirrors and glass not only removes dust and fingerprints, but also makes the space look brighter and more open. Use a soft cloth or a microfiber towel along with a glass cleaner to effectively clean the surface without leaving streaks. If you have a large mirror, don't forget to wipe down the frame as well to keep it looking neat and polished. For glass surfaces like windows or cabinet doors, regular cleaning prevents dust buildup over time. A small tip is to wipe the glass in circular or vertical motions to minimize water streaks, leaving the surface crystal clear and shiny. Vacuum and mop the floor. Vacuuming and mopping the floor is an essential step to keep your living space clean and fresh. Floors tend to accumulate a lot of dust, especially in neglected areas like under the bed, beneath furniture, or in hidden corners. Start by using a vacuum cleaner to remove dust, hair, and small debris from the floor. Make sure to reach difficult spots to ensure every corner is properly cleaned. Then, use a mop or a damp cloth to wipe the floor, effectively removing stains and bacteria. If your floor is made of wood or tiles, choose a suitable cleaning solution to avoid damaging the surface. If you have a carpet, make sure to vacuum or wash it regularly to eliminate dust, odors, and allergens. A clean floor not only makes your space look more organized, but also creates a more comfortable and refreshing environment for you to live in. Organize shoes and accessories. Keeping your shoes and accessories neatly arranged not only makes your space look tidier, but also helps you find what you need quickly. Instead of leaving shoes scattered around, consider storing them in boxes, on a designated shoe rack, or inside a cabinet to keep them organized and protected from dust. If you have seasonal footwear, store off-season pairs in separate boxes to free up space for everyday shoes. For accessories like sunglasses, watches, phone chargers, and jewelry, using small storage boxes or drawer organizers can help keep everything in place. Assigning a specific spot for each item ensures you won't waste time searching for them when needed. By maintaining a designated storage system for shoes and accessories, you'll create a clutter-free and visually appealing space while making your daily routine more efficient. Clean up overlooked areas. There are certain areas in your room that often get neglected during cleaning, such as under the bed, beneath desks, on top of cabinets, or behind doors. These spots tend to accumulate dust, cobwebs, and can even become hiding places for insects if left unattended for too long. Take some time to move furniture around and use a vacuum or a damp cloth to remove dust and dirt. If you find forgotten or unused items, consider reorganizing or discarding them to keep your space tidy. Cleaning these overlooked areas not only makes your room look cleaner, but also improves air quality, creating a fresher and more comfortable environment. Decluttering your bookshelf and display shelves. A well-organized bookshelf not only makes it easier to find your favorite books, but also creates a sense of tidiness and relaxation in your space. Start by taking all the books off the shelves to get a clear view of what you own. Then, sort them into 3 categories: books you love and frequently read, books you rarely use but still want to keep, and books you can donate or sell. If you have books you no longer enjoy or have already finished and don't intend to reread, consider giving them to friends, donating to a library, or selling them to a secondhand bookstore. Once you've categorized them, arrange the books in a way that makes sense to you, by genre, size, or even color for a visually pleasing look. If your collection is too large, consider using storage boxes or an extra shelf to keep everything neat. Also, Avoid cluttering your bookshelf with too many decorative items. Keep only those that truly add aesthetic value or have sentimental significance. A minimalist and well-organized reading space will help you feel more at ease and enjoy your time with your favorite books. ADD natural elements to your room. Bringing nature into your living space is a simple yet effective way to create a relaxing and comfortable atmosphere. A small potted plant on your desk, bookshelf, or windowsill not only serves as decoration, but also brings a refreshing touch to the room. Green plants can even help purify the air, making the space feel more pleasant. If you don't have time to care for real plants, you can opt for artificial ones or decorative dried branches to maintain a natural look without worrying about wilting. Additionally, a fresh bouquet of flowers can liven up your space and add a burst of energy. Choose plants or flowers that match your style to create a harmonious and inviting ambiance in your room. Limit unnecessary shopping. After tidying up your space, you might feel the urge to buy new items for decoration or to replace old ones. However, before making any purchase, ask yourself whether you truly need it. Often, we shop simply because we like something or are attracted to beautiful items, but later they end up unused, making the room cluttered again. To control shopping habits, you can apply the one-in, one-out rule, meaning that for every new item you bring in, you should remove an old one to maintain balance. Additionally, instead of impulsive shopping, prioritize multifunctional items or things that genuinely add value to your daily life. Limiting unnecessary purchases not only helps keep your room neat, but also saves money and reduces waste. Maintain the habit of daily cleaning. Instead of waiting until the end of the year for a major cleanup, make tidying up a daily habit. Start your morning by neatly making your bed, instantly making your room look cleaner and more organized. After using your desk, take a moment to arrange books, organize your workspace, and wipe off any dust to maintain a neat and pleasant environment. In the evening, before going to bed, spend 5 to 10 minutes checking and tidying up your clothes and belongings. Put dirty clothes directly into the laundry basket instead of leaving them scattered around. Wash dishes immediately after meals to prevent them from piling up. Doing small cleanups every day will help keep your space organized without the need for exhausting deep cleanse later on. Moreover, maintaining a tidy room creates a more comfortable and relaxing atmosphere, reducing stress caused by clutter. If needed, you can set up a simple cleaning schedule, such as mopping the floor on Mondays or washing bed sheets on Fridays. This way, you can keep everything under control without feeling overwhelmed. Cleaning your room not only makes your living space tidier, but also brings a sense of relaxation and comfort. A well-organized room helps you stay focused, boosts positive energy, and allows you to start the new year with a fresh mindset. Hopefully, these simple yet effective tips will help you rearrange your space quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss more useful tips in the future. Thank you for watching.